Which vacuum is actually good for tackling bed bugs? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're diving into 5 vacuums that can help you reclaim your space from these pesky invaders. Product number 1, JIGOO T600 Bed Vacuum. Let's kick things off with the JIGOO T600 Bed Vacuum Cleaner. At around $180, this vacuum caught my attention because of its impressive 700W motor and 15 kPa suction power. If you're looking for a serious weapon against bed bugs, this is worth a serious look. So what's the deal here? The 254 nm UV wave helps eliminate allergens and harmful bacteria, making your mattress a no-fly zone. Plus, it has a smart dust sensor that gives you real-time updates on how clean your bed is. This matters because you can actually see its effectiveness while using it. With over 2,900 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many folks are finding it helpful. Now, some people mention that it can be a bit heavy to maneuver. Here's the thing though, if your priority is to have a deep clean, the power it provides often outweighs this inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a serious cleaning tool for your mattress and fabrics. Skip this if you need something ultralight and portable, but for the price, it's a solid investment in your health. Product number 2, JIGOO J300 Bed Vacuum. Next up is the JIGOO J300 Bed Vacuum Cleaner, priced at about $94.11. This model caught my eye with its smart dust sensor technology and 500W motor. If you're on a budget but still need effective cleaning, this one's worth a look. This vacuum boasts a suction power of 13 kPa, which is perfect for pulling out dust and allergens. Its UV lights and ultrasonic technology work together to eliminate 99% of harmful substances, giving you peace of mind about your sleeping environment. The smart dust sensor not only detects the dirt but also provides a cleanliness index, so you know when your bed is truly clean. With 897 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, users seem satisfied with its performance. I get that it can be annoying, but if you're mostly focused on getting rid of dust, it's not a deal breaker. This vacuum is perfect for households with pets and babies, ensuring a clean environment. If you're looking for a heavy-duty option, you might want to keep searching, but for the price, this vacuum delivers great value. Product number 3, FEPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. The third product on our list is the FEPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, priced at around $66.46. What really grabbed my attention here is its 16 kPa suction power and UVC light. If you want a solid option that won't break the bank, this vacuum is a great contender. This vacuum features a powerful 500W motor that tackles fine dust and allergens effectively. The 253 7 nm UVC light penetrates deep into the fabric layers, eliminating 99.9% of unseen substances. It also has a high-temperature drying function, which helps keep your mattress fresh. With over 1,700 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear people are finding success with it. However, I did notice some comments about it not being suitable for pet hair, which can be a drawback for pet owners. This vacuum is perfect for anyone looking for a budget-friendly yet effective cleaning solution. If you plan on tackling pet hair often, you might want to consider other options. Product number 4, CFBF Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Moving on to the CFBF Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, which is priced at just $49.96. What caught my eye is its combination of UV light and ultrasonic cleaning technology. If you're looking for a great value option, this vacuum is worth checking out. The 140 degrees F airflow helps to dry and sanitize surfaces, which is extremely important in keeping your bed bug-free. With a 4.3-star rating from 850 reviews, this model has garnered a fair amount of positive feedback. However, some users pointed out issues with overheating during prolonged use. While that can be a concern, it automatically stops to prevent damage, so it's more of an inconvenience than a deal breaker. If you need a vacuum for heavy-duty daily use, you might want something with a bit more durability. Product number 5, XIAOLANG Cordless Mattress Vacuum. Lastly, we have the XIAOLANG cordless mattress vacuum, available for $44.99. This cordless design caught my attention since it offers flexibility and convenience. If you want a portable option that's easy to use, this might be the one for you. With 16 kPa of suction power, it effectively cleans various surfaces such as beds, cribs, and sofas. The dual dust cup design makes cleaning a breeze, and a rechargeable battery allows for up to 20 minutes of cordless cleaning. With 849 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, many users appreciate its portability. However, some users mention that the battery life could be limiting for larger cleaning tasks. While it's a valid point for quick cleanups in smaller spaces, it's convenient and efficient. Skip it if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty tasks for extended periods. So there you have it, 5 excellent vacuums for tackling bed bugs and keeping your home clean. The JIGOO-T600 is great for serious cleaning, while the J300 offers smart features for a budget-friendly price. FVPPO gives you high efficiency, CFBF is a solid choice for value, and XIAOLANG provides convenience in a cordless design. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your needs.